Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine and the Houseclean portable washing machine. We'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you find the best option for your laundry needs. The Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for bigger laundry loads. In contrast, the Houseclean portable washing machine has a capacity of only 11 Ls, which is suitable for smaller items like underwear and socks. If you need to wash larger loads, the Lungo Star is the better choice. When it comes to price, the Lungo Star is priced at $179, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the Houseclean is much more budget-friendly at $79. Making it an attractive option for those looking for a compact washing solution without breaking the bank. The Lungo Star comes equipped with a built-in drain pump, multiple wash modes, and a timer function, providing more versatility for your laundry tasks. Conversely, the Houseclean, while compact and foldable, offers basic features and limited spin-dry effectiveness. If you prioritize functionality, the Lungo Star is the superior option. In conclusion, both the Lungo Star and Houseclean portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Lungo Star is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Houseclean is ideal for those seeking a compact and affordable option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.